What's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones, and real quick I wanted to show you guys how I do my thin 4C edges. This is them. There they are. So somebody asked me in one of my previous videos, what do I use for my edges? And what I use for my edges gives me a strong hold literally all day. Now I was using, this was my go-to, Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edges, the extra hold. This was my go-to, but I just was in my beauty supply. I picked this up and I was like, okay, let me try this, you know what I'm saying? 4 ounces. It's pretty pricey, but this is the 24-hour edge tamer. This is in the extreme firm hold, and this is by Ebin. I don't know if I'm saying it wrong, right? Ebin, New York. So this is the edge tamer. So it's clear. It looks like that, and as y'all can see, I've been using it up, but it's clear. It's thick. It kind of feels just like that Cream of Nature, but I don't know what else they didn't put up in it, but it works. So this my edges. My edges are pretty thin, so it ain't that much to hold down anyway. You want to make sure that your edges, for me, mine lay better, and this is how I lay my edges. Everybody's edges are different, so this is how I do mine. So for me, my edges lay better when they're clean. When they're clean, if I want to do a little bit, if I want to moisturize them, I'll use some Jamaican black castor oil, but I'll put a little bit, rub it in. I do that at night, and then the next day I make sure I go in with the edge control. So what I do is, this is just the one I'm using, and then it has this on here, y'all gonna see how I'm gonna use this, but I just dip it in here. I take a little bit. Make sure your edge is clean, and mine lay better in the winter as opposed to in the summer when I'm all sweaty. But I got my mirror over here, so I literally just take it, and then I just put it on there, and I just smooth them out just like that. You can take that comb if you want to get all fancy with it. And then what I do, I go in with this little funny looking part right here, because it used to be, I think it used to have a comb at the end. I don't even know where it's at right now, but some of them have like a little metal stick. But I take this, I put a little bit of edge control on there, and then I just take that, lick it down some more with that, and then there we go. And then I just keep going down, adding some more, and I'm trying to do like a little swoop thing. I'm not the perfect edge layer. This is what I use. So what I'm going to do, I'm going out for a couple hours, and I'm gonna come back, and I want to show you guys how they're gonna look when I come back, because I was like so impressed. So it is now 11:05, right? So when I come back on here, y'all gonna see, wait, can y'all see the date too? Because I'm not gonna be trying to be faking y'all. March 7th. Hey y'all, all right y'all, so it's same day. I want y'all to see that it's the same day though. March 7th, okay? So 3:36. Think I came on her earlier at like what, 11 something? I came on her earlier at 11 something. I have not touched my edges at all, but I wanted to show you guys that hours later they still laid. They have not lifted at all. The only thing I touched up was my makeup. So I've been playing and bouncing around. We went to bounce houses with slides and everything. I was doing all that with a mask on, which is why I changed my outfit, because I didn't want to be in my house with the clothes that I had on there. So that's what the outfit change is. But these are my edges, and I feel like I should come on here later tonight. Yeah, my edges, they still slick. Now the ones over here, they don't stay down as good as the ones up here, but you get the picture. All right y'all, so March 7th, I wanted to show y'all my edges. I'm about to hop in the shower, wash off my makeup. I actually laid down. I took a quick nap. The last time I got on her was what, like 3? And the first time was probably like 10 or 11. So I took a nap. Since I wear my crochet hair, I always make sure I throw this bonnet on so it don't be getting messed up. But these are my edges now, some hours later, and you know, they're a little messed up over here, but that's because I laid down. Like, imagine like being out all day. I laid down, you know, I was laying on this side like this, and then the bonnet was over there. So if you really want to prolong them, you don't want to like keep doing them, take a silk scarf, tie them babies down. So this is them now. So yeah, now it did lift just a tad bit over here, but it's not all the way lifted, as y'all can see. Like, it's still laid down. Like, look at this one. I really tried. I really thought I was doing something right there with the little swoop, but as you can see, it's still laid. So my makeup all messed up, you guys, but I wanted to come on here and do an honest, you know, video. I ain't did nothing to my edges. It's a little white in those areas that you see where it's a little white. That is my foundation and my concealer that probably got mixed in there. But yeah, you guys, that deal, you hear me, it is that deal. Control ever again. This is it for me. Now the other ones I can use. My daughters have a different hair type than me, so they can get away with the other edge controls, but me, I cannot. I need this, which is strong and it does the job. So 4C girls, y'all got edges like me. This what you need. This what y'all need to be checking for. I'll link it in the description box. But you guys, yes. Peace, y'all. Peace, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all in the next video. Peace.